Great Parks draws people outdoors, but online, the experience hadn't kept pace. Content and tools lived in disconnected systems, a fragmented digital ecosystem.
Because we were unable to capture and leverage customer data on our own site, we couldn't present information that was most relevant to our guests. We really missed out on opportunities to provide them information that would fit their needs the best. Great Parks partnered with Macquarium to rebuild the experience from the ground up. One connected platform, website, ticketing, and reservations finally working together. Mobile first and accessible, meeting every guest where they are. Modular templates let the team publish faster and stay on brand. Improved systems drove stronger engagement at every step, and the data proved it. Data analytics post-launch proved that guests were visiting our site more, that they were having to do fewer clicks to find content that they needed, and they were staying on certain pages of interest longer.
Great Parks and Macquarium, a clearer path to the outdoors.